This. All right, I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow because this is right around the time of BB doing his fucking bombing, dude. And I don't know what it's going to do, but tomorrow, all right, people keep asking me about these guys. All right, so tomorrow there's going to be an IPO launch of this company, AIRO, all right? And I don't even know if this is, I don't know what they want. I don't think BB was supposed to bomb Iran today. I really don't. So if we're going to look at what this could possibly do, I don't think it's going to do anything good, obviously. I mean, maybe not. So wait, AIRO, I don't know what it does for AIRO. Okay. It's an Albuquerque-based aero defense technology company focused on advanced uncrewed aerial defense systems, avionics, and military training solutions. According to Stock Titan, AIRO priced its initial IPO of 6 million shares at $10 each. So that's what they're supposed to open tomorrow at. Aiming to raise $60 million. I don't even know. What do they mean by this? And the offering expected to close on June 16th, subject to customary conditions. The company intends to use the net proceeds combined with existing cash to support growth initiatives across its segments, repay debt, and fund general corporate purposes. Okay. Now, primarily driven its drone division, $75 million in 2024. What? Wait a minute. I almost want to know what's ONDS is. I mean, ONDS can't be that much. ONDS, I just saw something actually. Well, you have their market cap at 23, and then ONDS, they would have been formed in 2014. So if they're at 20 million, wait, what was it again? I don't have a memory. 203 million. So if they're at 203 million, 75, 9 million, 4 million, I don't know. This could be certainly interesting. And then you have the U.S. defense budget, $1 trillion. But remember, this whole thing is probably they're going to get that budget approved. But the budget, when the Republicans say they don't agree with certain things, that doesn't help. It will drop these stocks, but not for long. I mean, none of this is for long. Clearly, this is our future of nonsense, debauchery, neo-imperial barbarism, geopolitical shocks. Now, this could go two ways. The geopolitical shocks and all the dudes out there, the white dudes throw their money on gold and U.S. treasuries, or they be little warmongers, which those white dudes, we know they are fucking warmongers at their heart and soul. Operates in the aerospace and defense sector, which can sometimes benefit from geopolitical tensions due to increased demand for defense technologies. AIRO could have a crazy fucking day. It could go two ways. They could just, stagnate, or they could fly. I don't foresee people, because right now it would be the $10 is going to be the people who had their money in the IPO. I don't think they're going to go pulling out their money. I don't think Israel bombing Iran is that. This is what Israel fucking does. Everybody knows that. They're a rogue state over there, supported by us, but still, a bombing could disrupt. Okay, the oil thing, spiking oil prices, that higher energy costs could pressure economic growth, indirectly affecting investor confidence. Now, the oil thing, the one that I like is going to be rig. Now, rig, see, look, you can see, that doesn't count as much, but it surprises me that Palantir dropped a little bit, but of course, I would think everything was going to drop when that happened. But rig, they have super potential. They're going to be an ocean exploration company, ocean oil exploration, and they're pretty decent. Out of Switzerland, and everybody knows those Swiss, those money laundering fucks. I think they can stay neutral between America and the Swiss, and they owns and operates its own offshore drilling fleets. Ultra deep water, harsh environment. So they could do something tomorrow with this news, I think. If people are looking for swing trades, I'm inclined to say this is an investment advice, but I think rig would be good. Escalating tension, clearly. So this AIRO is going to be an interesting morning, for sure. And then, my sweet baby, my sweet ethanol fuel, sustainable aviation, sustainable manure fuel, and they do some ethanol things too. But Gevo, if there's going to be oil issues, let's see if Gevo does something. I just think they could. I really think they could. You guys, and it's possible. During uncertainty, people might pull their money out of penny stocks. That is a for sure. I don't know who this person is. Look what they said. ONDS and Huma. This person, I'm following this person. That is exactly what I would think. Newbie AAAAA, you little savage, you. New's not going to do good. I'd be a finance one. RGTI is not going to do good. They're going to do terrible. Speculative stuff like this, people are going to pull their shit out of quantum. I predict quantum will not do well tomorrow. Not at all. Oh, man. And Rivian, Amazon fans, I don't know about that one. But I'm looking for something specific. Somebody made a really good post about ONS. Well, it was a picture. And they're going to have ONS and like their Palantir partnership with what they're doing. But see, not everybody's going to be thinking of this Palantir partnership. But that's huge for ONS. Huge, the Palantir partnership. And RCAT, also Palantir partnership. But still, like I said, I just think penny stocks, I can't find it. But I just think penny stocks, they might not hold up. You know what will hold up? If things all start dropping, I don't think KTOS will. I think KTOS is going to be the next Lockheed Martin. Because I saw this one thing that they were shit-talking our fighter jets and stuff, saying, who needs fighter jets when we all saw what Zelensky did to fucking Russia? So fighter jets are almost a liability in this new drone age of warfare, because the first thing Zelensky did was drone bomb all Putin's fighter jets, and that was fucking disastrous. Billions and billions of dollars. So I just think KTOS, long-term, savages. Autonomous drone, they're also Palantir partnered. So I guess we'll just see. But this AIRO IPO could be very interesting. Very interesting tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow. We will see.